Do you want to get some years back on your skin? Adding a daily and nightly skincare regimen is vital to health, hygiene, and importantly for self-esteem. My name is Cynthia Lugo, and I'm a Florida State certified full specialist. I've been licensed since 2008, and it is my passion as well as my profession. I continue my education yearly and stay up to date on medical journals concerning skincare. Not only is our skin one of the first things that people notice about us, having healthy skin also adds confidence. Healthy skin is important because it protects our bodies. It is our largest organ, and it protects our internals by being the first line of defense that we have. It provides protection against illness-causing free radicals. Free radicals are an especially reactive atom or group of atoms that have one or more unpaired electrons, especially one that is produced in the body by natural biological process or introduced from an outside source, like tobacco, other toxins, or pollutants. Those can damage your cells, the proteins, and the DNA by altering their chemical structure, which is very dangerous. By taking care of what is our primary source of protection, we strengthen the chance of allowing our skin to do its job efficiently. Adding sun protection to our skincare regimen is extremely vital as well. You should add sunblock throughout the day because it does not last for the whole day. For example, if you use a sunscreen with an SPF 15, that means that you could be in the sun 15 times longer than you can without sunscreen before you burn. Excuse me. Skin cancer is the most common of all cancers. About 3.5 million cases of basal and squamous cell skin cancer are diagnosed in this country every year. Melanoma is the more dangerous type of skin cancer and will account for more than 73,000 cases of skin cancer in 2015 alone. By adding sunscreen to our regimen, we seriously help not getting, it helps with the skin cancer. The higher the SPF, the longer you could stay out in the sun. By taking a couple of extra minutes to get ready on a daily basis, greatly improves the quality and elasticity of your skin. Cleansing, moisturizing, and adding sun protection are just the basics that you need to make sure that your skin works as properly and efficiently as possible. To get different results, depending on your skincare concerns, be they acne, wrinkles, or dark spots, you can go to a professional and have them help you with the optimal skincare regimen for your individual needs. And you know what? You can probably get some years back on your skin. Thanks for listening.